Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to add Google shortcut on the home screen on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Here I'm gonna remove my Google shortcut and I will show you how to add it. Okay, now please long press any screen on your home screen. And then here you can select widgets. And then here you can scroll down. After that, you can choose this option. Well, and then press this icon to approve. Okay, and then the Google shortcut is successfully added to your home screen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add Google shortcut on the home screen on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.